Welcome back, everyone. If you're looking to book more discovery calls or clients, then you're in the right place. Now, when most people ask, how do I get more clients? What they are really asking is, how do I generate more traffic? In other words, how do I get more eyeballs on my offer and just generally attract more prospects as a whole? Now, lucky for coaches, freelancers, and all types of other entrepreneurs, there now exist places and websites like Upwork and Freelancer.com and all types of other places where we can get clients in online marketplaces. In other words, where buyers and sellers come together to make a transaction. Now, just like any other traffic channel on earth, there are entrepreneurs that make their entire businesses off of a single traffic channel every day, including on Upwork or any other traffic channel or place to get attention. Now, I'm going to refer to websites such as Upwork as marketplaces for the rest of this video. So let's go ahead and jump right in to the 10 ways or steps to get clients from marketplaces. So the first step to get clients from marketplaces is to identify your niche and ideal client. So I know I've talked about this a ton before, but it bears repeating because a lot of people don't do it. I know a lot of people say, but I can help anyone. Okay, I don't doubt that, but nobody wants to be helped by somebody who helps everyone. This means that you should specialize in something such as graphic design or video editing or social media management or anything like that. And actually, you can even niche down further. Choosing your niche is one of the most important and ignored steps. So for more on finding and choosing your niche, then definitely check out my playlist here. The next step to book clients from marketplaces is to optimize your profile and even your online presence. So this applies to marketplaces, but actually to every social platform, which means that you should utilize all the real estate available to you. I know this isn't a marketplace, but Instagram, for example, you want to use highlights and stories and reels and posts and carousels and your profile picture and your bio, and all of those same things apply to, let's just stick with Upwork. This means you don't want to leave any section blank, because if it's available to you to help you sell yourself, then why not actually take it? So if you can take certification exams or write a nice bio, get a nice picture going, get good reviews, which we'll talk more about later. The point is that you should try to utilize every piece of real estate available to you on your profile. The next step to getting clients from marketplaces is to get testimonials, reviews, and pretty much visible experience as soon as possible. Now, trust me, I know that money is nice and that that's a big part of what you're looking for, but keep in mind that reviews and testimonials are actually much more valuable to your business as a whole, but especially when you're getting started. So don't be afraid to lower your price or even work for free if that's possible, but just make sure that you actually do a great job and get a great review. The next step to getting clients from marketplaces is to create and have and display your portfolio. I actually hire people on Upwork a lot for all types of different tasks, and one of the biggest factors that goes into me actually hiring somebody is if I see something in their portfolio that looks like what I'm looking for. I know that most people would say that testimonials are more important, and to be fair, I might agree, but I would also say that having a portfolio might even be equally or sometimes even more important, because people actually want to see what you've done and if it's similar to what they want you to do. The next step to getting clients from marketplaces is to write a great bio. Now, I know we've already touched on this a little bit, but that little section where you can write about yourself, who you help to do what you've done in the past, what results you've got, you can actually get pretty creative here. But the point is that that little block, that little space where you can actually write a bio about yourself and get even a little bit creative can make a gigantic difference. The next step to getting clients from marketplaces is to be active. So, regardless of which platform you're on, whether it's a marketplace, social media platform, or whatever, we all love to think that if we just post content, clients and leads will just come to us. Well, that's not the way it works. Especially when you're getting started, it makes tons of sense and it would benefit you a lot to be active. That means apply for jobs, interact with people where you can, join groups and post in them if possible. So the point is, not to just sit around waiting for people to come to you, but to be proactive in your actions and in actually finding those leads and prospects. The next step to get clients from marketplaces is to create a great proposal template. Now, first things first, do not just copy and paste the exact same cookie cutter message to everyone. Trust me, they'll know. I'd say that half of a great proposal is selling yourself, letting them know what you've done, some metrics you've received, some type of accomplishments. And I would say the other half of a great proposal or pitch would be to personalize it. So let them know. Oh, I've done projects like the one that you want. Oh, if you want this, I have an idea. Maybe we can do it like this. Use their name if possible. Do not just copy and paste the exact same one, although you probably should have some type of template. So just remember to personalize it however you can as well. The next step to get clients from marketplaces is to be ready to interview and to start right away. For better or worse, most people, by the time they get to hiring, they're doing it too late and they need something done right away. You can communicate this in your proposal as well, by the way, but just keep in mind that responding quickly is also a huge factor here because you want to show them that you are ready, you're prepared, and that you're ready to start right away. The next step to get clients from marketplaces is to get a high rating and keep it that way. I know we've already talked about testimonials and reviews, but a lot of people don't read those specifics. All they look at is that little number on top or the amount of stars that you have. So as you might imagine, do everything you can to avoid or to neutralize or remove bad reviews and do your best to maintain the highest rating and ranking that you can. The next way to get clients from marketplaces is to use non-text versions of communication. So I know this isn't always possible, but if you can, do your best to try to send a voice message, a video message, and anything else that isn't just a boring old text message, which is pretty much what all your competitors are already doing. And the absolute best way to get clients from marketplaces is to hit the like button and subscribe below. If you learned something interesting today, it does help a lot. For personalized help, booking more calls and clients, then book a free strategy call with me below to find the biggest opportunities in your business. Well, that wraps us up for today. Thanks everyone for stopping by, and I'll see you on the next one.